Matching appearance. This replacement door handle was specifically designed to look and function the same as the original interior handle on particular vehicles. Seamless replacement. Designed to match the dimensions and specifications of the handle that came stock on the vehicle. Trustworthy construction. Engineered in North America and backed by 100 years of automotive aftermarket experience. Ensure fit. This handle is vehicle position specific, so double-check you have the correct handle for the same position and side of the vehicle you want to replace. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. If you're like me, you broke your factory door handle on your OBS Ford truck after trying too hard to get out of it. This handle is metal and feels very solid. I bought the passenger side as well just to have the reliability of something that is not 30-year-old plastic to let me out of my truck.